Kahit walang ice.
There is no hair!
Shitty photographer.
So I was being stupid.
See if we can stand on this ice.
Do you recognize it here?
Pay attention to wood!
Don't stand it out, it's gonna crack.
Blue wine with amaretto.
Cinnamon and cloves in there.
Don't forget to clean as you go.
It's a beautiful sunny day. We're having breakfast. I'm cleaning some cupboards. Really needed to be done. And I think we're going on the ice for a little while. And then, oh, Evie is excited. I'm happy to hear that. Very excited. So go, run. Show that breakfast. Oh, I'm making coffee for my most favorite eldest daughter. And my most favorite youngest daughter was just vlogging. So we're having some breakfast.
My second favorite wife.
And my most favorite wife is sitting next to me. What's up?
I have to go for my driving lesson.
Alright, now have fun. God bless.
Magandang umaga. Ang almusal namin medyo late. Kasi it's a
Very
weekend.
late.
Taking it easy.
Well, it's also because we suddenly have a huge big television in our... Hey, it works! Hey, it didn't make noise! Oh, wow! Yeah, but now we don't need it. I just want to test it. Ayo! Look! Hopefully no alarm today. Hey, but we have to take all this off. Mariah has coffee. Mariah has coffee. And some people will say, oh, nice, chaotic family. Yeah, sometimes it is like that. And unboxing. What? Always? Chaotic. What did I say then?
Chaotic.
It's the same. Chaotic.
Chaotic.
And?
You say good. You say good.
Chaotic. No, never mind. I'm Dutch. Huh? I'm not Filipino. I'm not American. I am proud to be Dutch. Yeah! Yes. And like, subscribe. Comment down below. Hit the bell. And how are you doing in London? Share. And in the meantime, I am editing a vlog. The snow vlog. Hope you've seen that already. It's a very nice vlog. And here, Evie lost her phone. So check it out.
You ugly color, you.
This one
Everybody's
Moriah
outside
wants.
with their skates
No,
because
I
they
have
already
a purple
picked
one.
their size.
So are we going with 2 cars?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's go.
I'll drive the Fiat.
I quickly explore that house you want to see us ever.
Look at this.
Every traumatized door mij.
Let's go!
Ik vind het
Mom, ben ik
beautiful. You should be
overbelicht.
happy on your river.
What is this setting?
Oh, hello.
You're talking about trauma.
Every says she's traumatized by me. And
Let's go! Shit. If you're wondering what happened to our big car, which we all fit in, I don't know, it just went
why? Shut up.
somewhere.
Shut up, big car.
I'm talking about the white van
Oh,
from...
yeah, that thing. That was
The owner picked it up.
Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You wear those shoes and I will wear that dress. Ah.
What's that, Samuel?
I don't know.
Yeah, what is it? A land house or a castle or something?
Nice skating, yeah.
No, but also Mama, who's driving behind. Because we have 2 cars.
Where's the car?
Yeah, this is a castle or something.
There, it's them.
I'm not sure what kind of. This is from the camping, huh? That's the camping center here. It's also very nice to have a simple. It's very cheap to buy usually, and the rent or something also not so bad.
People, maybe you see him, I don't see him, so. That's a childhood dream. What's happening? Are you sure?
Well, it doesn't look like it.
Maybe in the beginning, at the.
This car doesn't have a key, eh? Just like that.
Here is a key.
There's waves over the water.
Ayo, there is no hair. How come?
Because it's just a few days.
No, Vivian. This is just maybe it's not standing, still standing water. No, then we do. You put the ice skates away again, and we just go sledding.
Yay.
My goodness, that is strange. It was -8, hè? Hey. It was -8 and it's still -4.
Where's the bag with your drinks?
I have no bag with drinks.
Where's the bag with drinks?
Hey, put this ice skates in the car again.
No, the other one.
If you search your soul, there's no need for pretending. We got something I wanna talk about now tonight.
Mariah puts everything. So these are for Mariah and me. We decided already. Hey, Mariah,
Someone take a picture.
choose a number below 10.
I don't have a winter picture.
Below 10, Mariah.
No.
Two numbers. Two now, snel.
3.
And 7. Yes, we got it. Yeah!
Weer die mond houden.
Mariah has photo session time. Okay, woo! Oh! Hey, pay attention, there's a wood.
Yeah, there is also.
Who crashed?
Oh, that's Baruchel. I thought it was Jedaiah. It broke. The wire broke. The rope.
So
No,
sad
Mariah,
to
go.
have shitty
Go,
photographers.
go.
3.
Wait.
Is it on?
Wait. Yeah, it's on already. Yeah, go. Woo! Yeah. Do you see? There's no ice here.
What if you go down there?
Probably it is connected with the river. There's moving water and doesn't.
It goes all the way down.
Yeah, again. Against the tree.
Hey Vivian, in the next vlog I will be unwrapping the pasta because we have too much footage and we can't make everyday vlogs of 20 or 30 minutes because it takes triple the time to edit it. And like I am this week, I'm working like 100+ hours.
Yeah. And
In
can we
6
make
days.
a selfie as a family later?
3, go!
Go! Push him!
Don't crash into the tree.
Oh, remember when we did this in Germany?
1, 2, 3.
Ayo. No, this was very epic, catastrophic. Photo time. Papa, my phone in my pocket.
Oh, ik moest filmen. Hold
Foto
on.
maken.
Jay, I need to... Jij mag ook op een foto maken. Alleen ik op een foto gebeurd.
Ik doe helemaal.
I can't see anything.
Ja, daar gaan we. Ja, sneeuwbal.
Peper! Voorzichtig peperen, jongens! Jay, beurt it.
Stone. Here. Oh, here's the path.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Nejebe sa Hollande. Ja, mama? Nejebe is in Holland. Yes, sa Hollande. Let me know in the comments down below if this is right. And then Nejebe is also Bisaya for snow. So snow in Europe, in Holland. Pokoe!
Do you recognize it here?
What is it, Abby?
Are you
Why would I recognize it more?
I mean,
Because we usually swim here.
yes, we usually.
Yeah, and there you usually have campers. We're still looking for a camper, but we need to be more specific, looking for a camper with a double bottom. So it's winter hard, so you will not be cold in the winter. Oh, nice dogs there, yeah.
So people don't take our plans.
I just ordered a bag of French fries, so we can have French fries with our drinks. Yay! So I just get some money, and then, hey kids, I just ordered for €10 French fries. Yeah?
We have to go inside to get it.
Yeah, but I need money. Because my phone, no, I have money, but my new phone is not yet, I think, activated for paying. Vivian, I just ordered French fries. Mommy, are you guys coming?
I am.
French fries, I need money. I didn't bring my bag. They're having photo session again. See, and it's very strange. -8, probably too big. Not even a layer. But it's not connected with the River de Maas.
We're going to see if we can stand on this ice here because the geese are walking on it and Barry just threw a rock and it didn't break through. So, who knows? Okay.
Oh, how do you go there?
What if you hold the gate and then walk on the ice?
I have rocks.
You rock? Give you a small one.
Oh, I slipped almost.
Then you don't.
Oh.
Not there. I'm not gonna stand there.
So it's not very solid?
Maybe there, but not here. How do you go to the other side?
Adventure. It's allowed because there's ice.
Illegal. Oh, look. Stop on my up. Up the ice.
I can't see you, Barry. I can't see you very well.
I think it's cracking.
That's unfortunate.
Give me a stone.
This one down here, you threw it down here.
Duck. I need a stone. Yeah, but I'm not going there. Look at the crack. You can step on the thing.
To be continued.
Someone's being stupid.
I'm not.
Come back.
It's kind of scary and kind of safe.
Don't come here, Sha. Don't stand on ice. It's not. It's gonna crack. So what if you fall in?
You have to be quiet. Then we can hear that.
Okay, come back. Samuel. Samuel, come back. Samuel. Don't do that. You're being stupid.
Who's throwing ice?
See how far ice goes down.
Don't go there, Sha.
I'm liking this, I know.
But don't.
Nope.
So you're gonna steal a boat? It's ice there. I will crack the ice in the boat. Here, have a stone, Samuel.
Oh, I want to try. I want to try.
Don't, Joshua. You're not so smart.
It will be safer for hockey because of light, but I'm not going to tell it to do anything.
Don't do anything.
Now, but first, I show my face. I was sent inside with your pass,
With my
pinpas, bank card.
ATM card. And then I had my
No, I was there, the joker.
yeah.
She gave me the wrong pin code.
Pin code. I
Yeah.
even forgot. I did the same pin code and
Yeah.
it doesn't work.
For?
Some?
If they don't get it, it's
French
gonna be
fries.
off. So
Yeah, when they don't come, it's all finished. And I think they give us mayonnaise for free. Yeah. All right, French fries is almost finished. Come out, wherever you are.
That's
Huh?
a new one.
Make a sound if you can hear us.
I thought Hoshaiah went there to get them. Now he's not even coming back.
Oh, no.
They know anyway. Salamat here
Salamat, senor.
for the pizza. A pizza.
You hear the
Pizza.
sound of the cow? It's them.
Oh, this camera is very sharp.
Did we explain already that we thought the water is
Yes.
frozen?
Yeah, it is not connected. Are they coming?
No.
Can you see how thick the ice is? Excuse-moi.
Let's try it again.
Excuse-moi.
I like the sound of that.
Now, can I have some?
Oh, it's very nice hot. Yeah. We'll also have blue wine, eh?
Yeah. Nice.
No wine.
Keep a bit close, yeah?
The one that with no print is for the adults.
Hey, waar my handcuff?
I don't know. Here. No,
On the bar, maybe.
I don't know. He should have come already, if I think, if you have left it there.
So y'all, what are you doing? I don't think you should go there.
I want to go there.
But you shouldn't because it's dangerous and someone's kind of stupid. And the bush cracks. Don't try. There's no way to go back, only this way, I think. Go back if you want to. Okay.
Mag ik daar komen?
Nee! How you gonna go back? Come back, Sha. Go here. Yeah, hold the camera. Bring it with you. Because I can't go around this thing. I'm in prison. How to do illegal stuff. French fries. So we're somewhere there at the boat. We're gonna eat French fries. Okay, see you later.
Yeah. They're all back. So, what were you saying about the ice? Yeah, you filmed it anyway, so.
Yeah, so it's kind of thick, but at the sides it's like not really solid.
So here's nothing.
Yeah, but
Here?
there is more, not really moving.
But here is like, there's no movement, so that's why.
It's strange because it's still the water from the mass because the boats
No, it's
are
not
there.
the, yeah, that is true, yeah, but it is not moving.
Yeah, why?
Maybe
I
this
don't
one goes directly from the roof.
Blue wine. Blue wine with amaretto is also very nice. Hey, this screen is dirty. With amaretto or with rum is also very nice.
I
Sweet
thought
rum.
actually putting more cinnamon and the cloves in there.
Yeah.
There was no time.
I think he's walking blindly. He's had his eyes closed.
You are pretending to be blind.
Yeah, I think he is.
No, he is not.
Didn't see the snowball coming.
Shout out to Tita Mini.
Mini and JC
So that you take pictures for what?
for their wall.
For the wall, for the cousins.
Yeah.
Don't forget to clean as you go.
Yeah, everything in the trash.
Kahit walang ice yung lake, we still had fun. Sa snow, the kids had
lake
very-
with the boat was frozen.
Yeah, but I think it wasn't enough, huh?
Don't
That was
stand
fun.
on it.
We're coming to the end of this vlog. So Sammy has to work, Mariah has to work, Abby has to work, I have to work. Are you following me? Maybe you have to work tomorrow.
And you don't forget the present, yeah?
Yes. So maraming salamat for watching. And if you've enjoyed it, please
Like, subscribe, comment down below.
sing for the background music.
The bell and share.
You must sing.
Jingle bells.
No jingle bells, no Christmas anymore.
Happy birthday.
Christmas in the snow, also not. Alright, now and if you haven't subscribed yet,
Here you can subscribe.
Here's a more vlog, here's a special vlog for you.
now in English.
Here you can subscribe. Here's a 4 vlog and here's a special vlog for you.
And where does this come from? Where is this? What country?
South America, maybe.
South America. No. And this is a chocolate bomb. first one is. See you.
Smush bomb.